Hey, I just came to get some fresh air, that's all. Plus, I couldn't let this night sky go to waste. She's looking extra pretty tonight. Along with a certain someone, wow, you look gorgeous. Not to my surprise though, of course, you always impress. Thank you. I thought I'd flex a little tonight. It's not every day we get to dress with such class. Yeah, sure, let's take some. Come here real quick. Yeah, like this. That's nice. Yeah, you look great. Let me take a couple of just you. Lovely. Which one do you like the most? I'd argue this one. I like it when you smile in photos. You don't do all that often. So you want to post these ones? And I don't get a say in this, I'm okay with that. I'll send you the pictures later. And speaking of pictures, I take it Robin is still snapping away as usual inside. I mean, we can count on him for quality photos, but me? Not so much apparently. I don't plan on getting married anytime soon, but I just know he'll be the first I call to take the photos. Oh, you'd be my second choice, don't worry. You know, I didn't think I'd see you here tonight. Figured you might be a bit too tired, with your internship and all. How's that been treating you, by the way? With care, I hope. I'd say that's due to the change in environment. You'll be sure to fit in no time. You have my word. You're a little too talented to have something like that handy for too long. Yeah, we love a quick learner. Bailey? Yeah, I spoke to her like 30 minutes ago. We spoke about our next moves and things we're gonna miss. The standard final party topics. She said that. I'm sorry if I came off cold or rude, No, it's nothing. Yeah, I'm fine, who am I kidding? I guess it's obvious, right? I haven't been acting like I usually do. I haven't really been acting like my normal self. Just a couple things. Many things, actually. I don't even know where to start. But since you're okay with the listening, I'll try my best. I've never been someone who's very confident in their abilities, gifts, or whatever it may be. And no matter how many times people tell me, I never see any results because of my own inability to make decisions. I'm afraid to take the first step in pretty much everything. I'm afraid of losing, afraid of failure. And this is kind of the end of an era, I suppose. Everyone is moving forward, have found or are finding their place. Meanwhile, I feel like I've been stuck in mine for the longest time. It sounds stupid to say out loud, but it's hard for me not to be bitter and jealous at times, though I try not to show it. I guess I did a terrible job of trying not to show it tonight. I don't even know why I'm telling you this. But now is as good a time as any, seeing as how things will be a lot different after tonight. I didn't just come out here to get some fresh air, like I said. I came out here to be alone. When I'm in there, I feel like I don't belong. Like everyone is silently judging me, and I know that's probably not the case, but tell that to my gnawing anxiety. I'm sorry for getting emotional. I didn't see us having this conversation when you walked through that door a moment ago. I don't know, I guess it might help, but being outside, it always comforts me no matter what. The cold air held my hand when nobody else would, and the stars tell me everything is gonna be okay. Maybe that's why I love winter so much. Shorter days and longer nights. I'm not the best when it comes to sharing my feelings. You know, I'm just glad we took the pictures before I got overly emotional. For sure, for sure. Thank you, by the way. I don't know if you hear it often, but you're a really great friend. I hope you know that. You never fail to make me feel better, no matter the situation. I'm glad I can do the same for you. I think we should go inside now. Might be nice to socialize a little bit more. Yeah, come on.